Hi, here's a short streaming video. It's still buffering. Relax, 3MT rules prohibits videos. Besides, this video right here would have taken forever to load using 4G. Don't we all hate buffering? Well, there's actually a solution, 5G. 5G is capable of transferring large amounts of data at speeds that are 20 times faster than 4G. In fact, buffering issues is just the tip of the iceberg, solving that problem. So 5G is actually very suitable in applications that require fast responsiveness, such as doctors that need to perform remotely for operations, or automobiles that need to communicate constantly to avoid accidents. So I'm sure you're saying by now, sign me up already. Well, here's the thing. Like 4G, 5G uses electromagnetic waves that bounces all around us. And we take these waves and we shrink them so small that we actually call them millimeter waves. And just as you'd assume, anytime you shrink something this small, it becomes quite difficult and expensive to design and manufacture. And this is where my work comes in. I'm Mohamed Abdin, and I 3D print 5G electronics. I believe that 3D printing will solve these issues for 3 reasons. One, firstly, it's because 3D printing simplifies the process for the manufacturing and design. Also, because you only print the stuff that you need, it actually uses less material, and it's better for the environment. Finally, 3D printing is very useful in working out the early kinks in the development, because you can print one part, test it, before you actually mass producing it. And it does it quite well. So this all sounds too good, but it does come with a few set of challenges. You see, 3D printing is still relatively new, and we're still trying to work out a few manufacturing problems. Also, the electrical performance needs to be at least as good as what we have right now. In the past few years, I've been researching this and I'm trying to tackle these issues, and I'm happy to announce that my team and I have been able to 3D print 5G electronics with performance that are similar or better than what we have right now. And in the not too distant future, you might be carrying a 3D printed phone, and our kids will look at this buffering symbol and it'll be as mystified by it as the floppy disk save icon. Thank you.